Now we'll discuss the types of hybridization. How many types of hybridization are possible for carbon? In ground state, we could see this electronic configuration of carbon, and also in excited state, this will be the electronic configuration of carbon. And if all means this S and all 3p mix, then after mixing it can produce the 4 hybrid orbital equal energy and identical shape. We could see this how this get mixed, and after mixing it form the sp3 hybrid orbital and looks its shape is tetrahedral and bond angle 109.5 degree. Each orbitals form the available for single bond. There is no extra orbital remain left for pi bond. Now, in other two also possible, if among these 4 unpaired electron, 1s and 2p get mixed, then 3 hybrid orbital generate. This looks how this happen. 1s 2p, so gives the sp2. This is trigonal planar shape or geometry. Bond angle, each bond angle are 120 degree, and each orbitals are available for single bond. In these cases, as 1p orbital remain unhybridized, that are available for pi bonding. We could see another possibility. If 1s 1p are mixed, then sp hybrid orbital can form like this way. So this is the linear shape sp and bond angle 180 degree, and each these orbital are equal energy and available for single bond formation. Another as 2p z unhybridized orbital left, these 2p are available for formation of 2 pi bond.